In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio on Behance. To get started, log into your Behance account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up and create a new account first. Once you're inside, you'll be ready to set up the foundation of your portfolio. After logging in, look to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. Hover over it to open the drop-down menu, then select Behance Profile. This will take you to the main area where your portfolio and public profile live. Before creating any projects, it's a good idea to complete your profile so visitors immediately understand who you are and what kind of creative work you do. On the left side of your profile, click Edit Profile. In the profile editor, start by adding a professional profile photo. This helps your page feel more polished and trustworthy. You can also update your name if needed, and in the headline field, add your creative title. This could describe your role or specialty and gives people a quick snapshot of your expertise. You can also fill in additional details such as your company, location, city, and website URL. As you scroll down, you'll find even more sections you can complete, including work experience, connected social accounts, section titles and descriptions, and other useful links. A helpful thing to know is that Behance saves your changes automatically. So once you're done, you can simply go back to your profile without worrying about losing anything. Now it's time to create your first project. From inside your profile, click Create a Project. This opens the project editor where you can build out your portfolio piece. Here, you'll be able to upload images, add text, create photo grids, include video and audio, add embeds, and even work with options like Lightroom, Prototype, and 3D content. This gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the kind of project you want to showcase. For example, if you click Image, your computer's file browser will open. Locate the image you want to use, select it, then click Open or press Enter on your keyboard. Once the image is uploaded, you can continue adding more content using the panel on the right. If you want to customize the look of the project, click Styles on the right panel. This opens a pop-up where you can choose a background color and adjust content spacing. If you click Settings, another pop-up will appear where you can enter important project details like the title, which is required, tags, which are also required, up to 3 categories, tools used, and your Behance visibility preferences. Once everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. Your Behance portfolio is now live and ready to showcase your work.